Sometimes I believe, see, we have different kinds of people traveling from various cultures, from various countries.
Right.
So, somewhere the open and clear communication is really very important.
True
if we
that.
see the celebrities, we usually see their gesture, posture, their communication, how they speak. So
Correct.
that's why this is very important part. So that's what I did. This was my answer to them. See, being a dusky woman, even I can do. I can be a cabin crew.
Okay, so Steffi, I have few questions to ask. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
so आपने कैसे सोचा कि आपको एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, आपको एयर होस्टेस बनना है? Was that a dream job? हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑफ डी फ्लाई लुमिनरीज। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं एविएशन वर्ल्ड के बारे में एंड हमारे पास आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल गेस्ट है जिन्होंने बहुत सारी एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री में काम करा है। शी हैज़ बीन एन एयर हॉस्टेस ऑल हर लाइफ एंड अब वो थाउजेंड्स ऑफ बच्चों को ट्रेन करती हैं यहाँ डी फ्लाई में। ओके, सो वेलकम टू द शो स्टेफी।
Thank you so much, Kiran, and I'm so excited to be a part of this show. Thank you so much for inviting me.
It's a pleasure to have you here, Steffi.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Steffi, I have few questions to ask. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
so आपने कैसे सोचा कि आपको एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, आपको एयर होस्टेस बनना है? Was that a dream job?
Kiran, every other human being, even I had a dream to become a cabin crew.
That's lovely.
So, मेरा भी वही चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम था कि मुझे कैबिन क्रू बनना है. आई वॉज वेरी मच फैसिनेटेड विद द यूनिफॉर्म्स एंड द
Yeah.
वे कैबिन क्रू यूज टू वर्क.
Right.
एंड स्पेशली व्हेन आई यूज टू सी दोज एयरक्राफ्ट, मतलब ये लगता था कि जैसे हम लोग आजकल की जनरेशन को आप देखेंगे, दे आर वेरी फैसिनेटेड विद द मोबाइल फोन्स. दे
Correct.
वांट टू try different kinds of mobile phones. So I always wanted to be the part of those different kinds of aircraft.
Right.
So how the crew used to walk, the way they used to talk, their
Right, their
personality. That made me really, like, I want to join this industry and I want to be a part. And I really wanted to be a part of that industry, so
Right.
that I also walk like this. I also talk like that, and also
Right.
that's what I am doing right now by training the students.
Okay, Steffi, you've trained thousands of students. Okay.
Yes.
So now आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या ऐसा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है जो बच्चों को आना ही चाहिए before they enter aviation?
Before they enter the aviation, of course, grooming is a major part,
Right.
because looking presentable is really very important, because it also opens a door for successful
Of
future. I
course.
always say this to my students. So grooming is the first part. The second part is, nowadays the generation, they are lacking with the sensitivity. So usually when you go on board, you have to assist the passenger, you have to
Absolutely.
greet them politely.
Right.
And obviously, if you're greeting someone good morning, and if they are not greeting you good morning, you'll feel bad.
Right.
So greet in a such a way that they
also
treat you.
respond.
Yes. And एक कम्युनिकेशन होता है, जो कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है आजकल, जो लैंग्वेज, जो जिस टाइप का लैंग्वेज यंग जनरेशन बोलता है. सो आई रियली वांट देम टू वर्क ऑन द कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट. सो फर्स्ट इज ग्रूमिंग, second is communication, and third majorly is the expressions, because from the expressions and your tone, you actually can solve half of the problems. Because majorly हम लोग बोलते
Tone
हैं,
also matters.
yes, हम
Yeah.
लोग बहुत बोलते हैं इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे, that smile, when you smile and when you speak, your tone automatically gets changed.
Right.
So these are the major factors
Right.
which is required to enter into the aviation industry.
Okay, you were talking about communication skills, Steffi. So how does English communication play a role in your aviation career?
Sometimes I believe, see, we have different kinds of people traveling from various cultures, from various countries.
Right.
So somewhere the open and clear communication is really very important.
Absolutely.
And pronunciation is another second part which is very important. क्योंकि आप ऑन बोर्ड जा रहे हैं, आप इतने सारे लोगों से मिल रहे हैं,
Correct.
और आपका कम्युनिकेशन और आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्लियर नहीं रहा, एंड यू एज अ कैबिन क्रू, पीपल एडमायर यू.
They look up to you.
They look up to
Yeah.
you. So
Especially young children. If they're
Exactly.
flying, they look up to you.
Yes.
Okay, I want to be like her.
Yes, and this is a very
Yeah.
glamorous industry.
True
If we
that.
see the celebrities, we usually see their gesture, posture, the communication, how they speak. So
Correct.
that's why this is very important part.
Right. So when you started your aviation career, Steffi, so any challenges you faced?
Yes, there were few challenges. Usually people they criticize you that you are dusky color, you won't be able to join
Yeah.
aviation industry
Right.
and this and that. But
People
I'll
come
be,
with this concern,
Yes.
Ma'am, I am dusky, will
Yes,
they
yes.
select me just because I don't have fair complexion?
So I say, see, you are blessed by the God with a beautiful
Right.
skin. Be comfortable in your skin.
Correct.
Make your skin look beautiful so that
Yeah.
people admire you. See,
Right.
we have people from various countries. They are doing modeling. So we have models with dark skin also. We have
Yes.
models with fair skin, white skin also. And they all look beautiful.
Of
So be
course.
comfortable in your skin. People they challenge you. No, आप ये करके दिखाइए.
Correct.
So that's what I did. This was my answer to them. See, being a dusky woman, even I can do. I can be a cabin crew. What matters is how you're carrying yourself.
Right.
That matters a lot.
Correct. Rightly said by you, Steffi. कि मतलब you need to be comfortable in your own
Own
skin.
skin.
Yeah. Okay. So Steffi, my next question would be, what do you think कि जो क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा excite करती है? What are those things that excite people a lot who want to enter aviation industry?
Aviation industry itself is an excitement industry, to be
Right.
very honest. Everyone wants to travel inside the aircraft, especially if you have a different kinds of aircrafts, like we have 320, 707, 777, ATR. So everyone wants to fly in different kinds of aircraft. This is the first excitement part.
Right.
The second excitement part is जैसे 5 उंगलियां एक जैसी नहीं होती है. I have seen the world, so कोई भी इंसान एक जैसा नहीं होता है.
Right.
So, in a way, every day you share your thoughts with the people and you get to learn so much from the people around you. It's
Yeah.
not like that you are going on board and you're just following your SOPs, that is standard operating procedures.
Right.
Sometimes you also get to learn a lot of things from the people.
Absolutely.
So that is the second part. Third part, obviously, you get to travel so many places, cities,
yeah, one
countries.
city to another, one country to another.
And trust me, you enjoy like anything.
Yeah.
You see like sightseeing आपका बहुत होता है.
जी.
You go to a number of beaches.
Right.
And you enjoy the traveling from one place to another. So this is a third part. Fourth, if I talk about, yes, obviously when you go from your base station, if you're going to other base station, you get allowances. So you can spend those allowances on your shopping
Right.
or on your if you want to purchase something for your family.
Yeah.
So that is another part.
You want to try different cuisine. You want to
Cuisines,
travel the city.
yes,
You
yes,
get those
yes,
benefits.
yes. Definitely. And yes, of course, the fancy salary.
Of course.
So these are
that
the-
was supposed to be the next question, Steffi. So I just want
Okay.
to ask you about the salary part. Okay. So can you just
Okay.
tell us an approx key? What do you guys get if you be a part of aviation?
So if you are the part of the aviation, I personally, what I used to like is festivals. When you are
Okay.
on festival moods, you used to get a lot of gifts and
Yeah.
a lot of perks from your company. That's
That's
that
nice.
was the best part, like
Okay.
flying on the festivals and all. And apart from this, the salary part is very exciting. The more you fly, the more you get the salary.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
also, when you travel from your base station to other cities, or if you're traveling to other countries, you get
Right.
the allowances.
Okay.
So you can
that is other than your salary.
Yes, yes. Apart from this, you get, if your company has a tie-up with the big brands, you get the discounts on the big brands.
Okay. So can you please just tell us an approx key how much average you get? Like.
So it depends. Sometimes you get 15%, sometimes you get 25%.
Oh, okay.
Also, you
That's
have
nice.
also you get the discounts at the airport also as a crew discount. Even I used to use it.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay, so Steffi, my next question would be, As a cabin crew, we play variety of roles, right? So it's not just कि बहुत luxury job है कि आप flight पर जाते हो, you just travel the world and you come back home, you know? So आप वहाँ पर you are a babysitter also, right? You are a firefighter also, you are a first aider also. आप इतने सारे roles निभाते हो. So have you ever handled any emergency situation in the flight?
Kiran, this is one of my favorite question. Why? Because people think that cabin crew is just simply for the service.
Right.
That is food and beverage service.
True.
But I say food and beverage service is a part and parcel. At 30,000 feet to 34,000 feet, you will not get any restaurant. You will not get any
Correct.
cafe.
Correct.
So we cabin crew provide you with the meal and drinks. Reason this is we have variety of people traveling with us. We have
Correct.
elderly people traveling with us. We have infants. We have people who require medical assistance.
Yeah, PRMs also.
Exactly. So
Right.
we are responsible for the safety and security of the
Of
people.
course, that is the priority.
That is a priority. So yes, emergency. See, what I say is the mobile phone we are using is a kind of robotic machine.
Of course,
right?
yeah.
The aircraft we are flying is again a robotic machine. So
Right.
the technical problems are all normal. It happens.
Yeah.
So how you deal with it smartly, that matters a lot.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे साथ में कभी नहीं हुआ है. This has happened
Yeah.
with me also. What is important is that when you are in the training, आपको पूरा 100% पढ़ाया जाता है so that at least 70-80% you use it on board. क्योंकि
Correct.
होता है कि when we are nervous हम घबरा जाते हैं, we tend to forget things.
Of course,
So आप पूरा 100% नहीं तो at least 70-80% आप
उतना तो आपको पता होगा.
Correct. दूसरी चीज, you have to be very vigilant because you are the warrior on board. You are the
Right.
lifesaver. So you have to be vigilant so that quickly you take the action. And yes, rest is in God's hand.
Yeah, absolutely. And I believe risk is everywhere, Steffi.
Everywhere, yes.
Yeah, be it
But
anywhere,
the
be it we
safest
are on
mode-
ground or in air.
Right, but
Risk
the
is
safest
everywhere.
mode of transportation is proven that aviation, air transport is the safest mode of transportation.
Okay, I am sure कि लोगों को ये सारी चीजें जो होंगी अब बहुत क्लियर हो गई होंगी. जो लोग थोड़े से स्कैर्ड होते हैं कि ओके मुझे फ्लाइट में ही यहीं जाना है, मतलब इट्स सो मच रिस्क. सो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि उन सबको ये सारी चीज़ों से बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी. सो स्टेफी, अगर कोई कैबिन क्रू बन जाते हैं, सो उसके बाद क्या करियर ग्रोथ ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास?
A lot of people they think that एक certain age तक ही आप cabin crew कर
Correct,
सकते
yeah.
हो या आपको एक time period दिया जाता है उतने ही तक आप कर सकते हैं.
Right.
But according, like you know, I have flown n number of airlines. So according to airlines, it's like कि जब तक आप medically fit हैं, आप
Right.
aviation industry में survive कर सकते हैं.
Right.
This I am talking like you know from cabin crew point of view. आपको cabin crew fly करना है तो हमारे हर 2 से 3 साल में medicals होते हैं. अगर आपके medicals पूरे clear होते हैं, so you can fly, no issues.
Correct.
But in case you don't want to fly as a cabin crew, then what options you have? You have options in the management. You can be an instructor with the
Yeah.
airline. You can give. You can be a DGCA person. But for
Okay.
DGCA person, you have to give a lot of exams. You have to go
Okay.
through a lot of exams and you have to clear those
Right.
exams. You can be the auditor with the company. You can be the, like, you know, we have other departments also. So you can be the part of the aviation industry in this
Okay,
way.
so like-
also you can be, you can join on ground also because
Right. If somebody is looking for 9 to 5 job,
Exactly.
yeah, so they
Like,
can go for that.
होता है ना, like generally women they get married and
Right.
they have babies. So sometimes it becomes difficult for them
Yeah, flying
to
becomes
fly.
a little hectic.
Because they want to manage their family also
And work also.
So they can work on ground also. They can take the training and various programs. They can give the interview for the instructors also. So
Right.
आप कर सकते हो. Yes, if you have a baby, still you can fly. Again,
Yeah, it's there.
Again,
Yeah.
your medicals should be clear.
Right. So even if you're a cabin crew, you can become a senior flight attendant. Then you can become a line check crew also.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah.
So it's like
You have a
position.
variety of options.
Variety of options.
Right.
yes.
So Steffi, my next question would be कि अभी भी we are in 21st century, but अभी भी अगर आप किसी को बोलो ना कि okay you want to be a cabin crew, तो parents थोड़ा सा hesitate करते हैं, right? So do you seriously think कि अभी भी वो hesitation है? आपके पास जो students आते हैं वो आपको बताते हैं कि okay my father isn't isn't allowing me to do this, or my mother isn't allowing me to do this. Does that happen still?
Uh, 10 to 15%, I would say yes. Still, we are facing a lot of issues with this thing. Because वो हम बोलते हैं ना जागरूकता,
Yeah.
तो वो अभी जागरूकता अभी भी कम है. लोगों को नीचे से प्लेन को देखने में तो अच्छा लगता है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द ड्यूटीज तो हमें उन्हें बताना होता है. समटाइम्स कभी कभी
They only think कि बस सर्व कर रहे हैं, बस ये काम है.
Yes, awareness is lacking. So at DFly, this is what we do. Our team, we have team of from various department.
Yeah.
We aware the people that you can be a cabin crew if you have qualities of communication, if you can do fantastic grooming, if you have amazing body language, you can be a cabin crew. The thing is that awareness is very much important.
Right.
Yes, we have parents जो बोलते हैं, जिनको ऐसा होता है कि नहीं हमारा बच्चा तो सर्व करेगा,
Yeah.
ये कैसे करेगा, वेज सर्व करेगा, नॉन वेज सर्व करेगा.
Yeah.
सो हमें उनको क्लियर करना पड़ता है. सी यू आर नॉट गिविंग them with the hands. It's
Yeah.
just a box that you are giving them.
Correct.
किसी
It's a
को
part of your
पार्ट
job.
ऑफ अ जॉब. एंड हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, हमारे इंडिया में यूजुअली हम बोला जाता है कि पानी पिलाना पुण्य का काम होता है.
जी, absolutely.
खाना खिलाना पुण्य का काम होता है. तो इन अ
Right.
वे यू आर सर्विंग द फूड टू द पीपल, elderly people, and you are giving food to infant,
Right.
child, pregnant ladies. So in a way आप पुण्य ही तो कमा रहे हैं.
Correct. And
ऐसे,
then
तो ऐसे.
आपको एयरक्राफ्ट को अपना घर समझना पड़ता
घर
है. Even if
समझना
you're
पड़ता
on
है.
flight, that is your
Yes.
another home, right?
Yes.
बहुत ज़्यादा fancy लगता है कि जब आप ये बोलते हैं कि okay, I get those free flights. So, do you guys really get those free flights?
Yes and no. Both, I'll say.
Okay.
You actually don't get free flights. You become a part of the staff travel.
Okay.
So various airlines, like, they have their own programs for the employees, for the staff.
Right.
In that, you have to pay certain taxes to the government.
Okay, like basic tax.
Basic taxes, which are very less. But
Yeah.
yes, compared to other tickets and other prices, it's very less.
Okay, so Steffi, I just want you to give a message to aviation aspirants जो airlines में जाना चाहते हैं. So be it ground staff, be it cabin crew. So do you have a message for them?
Yes, I would like to give a message that whenever you go for the interview, please make sure that you are excellently groomed. Before going for the interview, please read the job description properly. Prepare your documents prior so that you don't struggle at the last minute.
Right.
Next is prepare your answers. I'm not saying that you need to go extremely professional.
Correct.
Sometimes it's like how we are interacting with each other.
Correct.
So keep the conversation plain and simple. And yes, communication, grammar part is really very important because you will be communicating with n number of people on board.
Correct.
So please take care of this. And last but not the least, trust yourself, be confident. That's what I would give a message to you.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you so much, Steffi,
Thank you
for
so
being
much.
on the show. It was pleasure to have you.
Same
and
here.
I hope कि जितने भी लोगों ने आज हमें सुना है पॉडकास्ट में, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बहुत सारी चीजें क्लियर हो गई होंगी. आपने अपना इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर किया. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much, Kiran. It was a lovely,
Likewise,
interaction with
Steffi.
you. And I hope the interaction we did is reaches to more and more people, and they
Absolutely.
join cabin crew as soon as possible.